So I can already tell this has more power than the 5.3 liter, just how it accelerates out of corners with similar throttle response. And the auto stop is actually really nice. It cuts off and cuts back on seamlessly. We'll give it a little throttle here. Yeah, it definitely has some pickup. Even with moderate acceleration, or throttle input, excuse me, it takes off. And surprisingly, really good ride quality. With these off-road tires, I would have expected a lot of harshness, but it's really quite smooth. And the noise in the cabin isn't bad either. I hear a little bit of wind noise, but it is freezing outside, so like I said, it isn't bad at all. Brake pedal feel is nice and consistent. I'd put my foot down a little bit, but and there's the auto stop that just kicked on. And I really like the maneuverability of this truck. Even though it's a full-size pickup, the steering feels really sporty. The seating position is high, but based on the hood placement, I can still see in front of me without worrying if I'm gonna hit something or not. And overall, good visibility. No huge pillars or anything in the way. And if you can afford the 6.2, I think it's a $3,000 or $4,000 option. It's nice to have, especially with the auto stop. You're gonna be getting pretty similar gas mileage, and it's nice to have that power when you're going from a stop. It's just really fun. But the 5.3 is great too. There's just nothing like the rumble of the 6.2 liter though. It's my favorite. And the Camaros and the Silverados, the Yukons, Escalades, they just have a great throaty sound to them. And like I've said before, really surprising how well this ride is. I expect to be all over the place and be bouncing my head and all that, but it's been, as you can tell by the camera, it's been pretty steady. Just going down the road, even in slight imperfections, it doesn't take your breath away. Well, this is going to bring me to an end of my review of the 2022 Chevrolet Silverado 1500 Limited Custom Trail Boss with a Realtree Special Edition.